Hi friends! Today we're making a super tasty and super easy ground meat dish. Grab 400 grams of ground meat, about 1 pound. Add 1 egg and a pinch of salt. Trust me, your whole family's gonna love this one, especially the kids. My name's Isabel, and I'm so happy to see you here on my channel. Add a little black pepper and some dried marjoram, it's a lovely seasoning. Now mix everything really well. Let's chop some parsley. See how I start with the leaves? That way the stems stay in your hand at the end, easy to toss them out. I think that's a pretty handy chopping trick. Add the parsley to the meat and mix well. Parsley isn't just for decoration, it's packed with vitamin C, even more than lemons. It's also rich in iron and antioxidants that boost your immune system and cleanse your body. Now, chop up an onion. Onions are like a natural antibiotic, full of sulfur and phytoncides that fight viruses and bacteria. They also strengthen your heart and help lower blood sugar. Onions are super healthy and tasty, but if you're going on a date afterward, grab some mint gum just in case. I promise, today's recipe will be delicious, and made from simple, affordable ingredients. To avoid crying while chopping onions, just chill them in the fridge first. The cold slows down those tear-triggering compounds. Or you can cut them near a fan or under an extractor, no tears guaranteed. Add a bit of vegetable oil to the pan, then a little butter. Time to sauté our onions. Add the chopped onion and cook it until it turns beautifully golden. While that's cooking, let's crush 2 cloves of garlic. They say onions without garlic are like a date without a kiss, something's missing. Garlic's our kitchen superhero, it keeps your immune system strong and your heart healthy. Oh, and it scares off vampires too. Chop it finely. Look at that gorgeous golden onion. I just love fried onions, how about you? Tell me in the comments. Now add the minced garlic. I'm showing you every step in detail so it's super easy for you to follow along. Thanks for your likes, comments, and for subscribing. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos. By the way, I'd love to know, where are you watching from? I'm living in Western Poland right now, and my family really loves it here. Add the sautéed onion and garlic to the meat mixture. Now add some smoked paprika. It's such a flavorful spice. Mix everything really well. Smoked paprika doesn't just smell amazing, it's full of antioxidants and vitamin A, great for your eyes and skin. It also helps digestion and boosts your mood. Let's let the meat rest for a bit. Now grab some cheese, about 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. Today I'm using aged cheddar with a nutty flavor. Parmesan works great too. I picked it up by chance at the supermarket, creamy and super rich in flavor. Add the cheese to the mixture. Mix everything thoroughly. Oh, this is gonna be so good, trust me, friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Add a bit of oil and butter to the pan again. I just love that sizzling sound when butter hits the pan. Add some breadcrumbs to the meat and mix everything together. Breadcrumbs help the mixture stay firm while cooking. They soak up extra moisture and keep the inside juicy. Today we're using turkey, a great alternative to red meat. It's lean, high in protein, and full of iron and zinc. Perfect for healthy eating. Form nice round meatballs and place them in a hot pan. Your kids are gonna love this one. We're making spaghetti with meatballs in tomato sauce. Fry all the meatballs until golden brown. Did you like this recipe so far? Of course, you can use gloves if you want, but I just use my hands. I'm cooking for my family. It's a really simple recipe, just follow my steps and you'll nail it. While the meatballs are cooking, let's make the sauce. Roasted garlic becomes sweet and soft while keeping all its health benefits, and it smells incredible. Chop half a chili pepper. Chili contains capsaicin. It boosts your metabolism and improves circulation. Plus, it adds a lovely spicy kick. Flip the meatballs so they cook evenly on both sides. They're looking delicious already. Ground meat is an amazing source of protein, great for muscle growth and recovery. Just make sure you always buy fresh, good quality meat. Take the fried meatballs out and set them aside, we'll need them again soon. They smell incredible. In the same pan, toss in the chopped garlic and chili. Stir well. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, it really helps my channel grow. Add canned chopped tomatoes, this'll be our spaghetti sauce. Just a little patience and dinner will be ready soon. Add some water and mix well. I love using simple, everyday ingredients, things you can find anywhere in the world. Add some salt and chopped parsley. Let the sauce simmer a bit, look how beautiful it's turning out. This sauce is going to be amazing. Tell me in the comments if you like this recipe. Add the meatballs to the sauce and let them simmer, that'll make them super juicy and flavorful. Cover with a lid and let them gently cook through. While the meatballs cook, let's boil the pasta. Add some salt to the water and drop in your pasta. Give it a little stir so it doesn't stick. Come on, pasta, cook. You're going to be so useful today. Notice that cooking time is usually right on the package. Just follow it for perfect al dente pasta. While the pasta cooks, let's prep a pan. Melt some butter in it. Drain the pasta and toss it in the pan with butter. It makes it softer, creamier, and gives a nice buttery flavor. Remember the sauce we made for the meatballs? It's showtime, the meatballs are almost ready, and we'll combine them with the sauce. Look at them, golden, appetizing, perfectly cooked. Absolutely delicious. Now take some sauce and mix it with the pasta. This will make it juicy and flavorful. The best part is that this recipe doesn't take much time. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Pasta is almost ready, gently mix it and serve on a plate. Time to enjoy. Top with the meatballs and pour over that amazing, rich sauce. It makes the dish truly homemade. Simple, tasty, healthy, ready to eat. A little Parmesan on top won't hurt, or use any other cheese you like. Looks juicy and delicious. Thanks for watching till the end, friends. See you in the next video, and take care. Enjoy your meal.